What are you getting, Niall? Show Mummy. Come and show me. What have you got? A snowball? Oh, it's not as big as Daddy's snowball. Blake!
Oh, my knee hurts.
It's a dirty snowman, Rick. It's a bit dirty.
That's why we're putting white snowballs on top of it.
There's a big hole at the front. Who's done that? There's a big hole at this side, Reese. Where? Down, down, down on the body. Yeah, there, Nelly, no. You see that big hole, Reese?
Mummy,
Yeah?
Mummy, can you make one for me?
Me? Oh, Daddy's the best. I'm the cameraman. Do you want me to make you a snowball? Alright, just a minute.